Hey everybody, how you doing today? So sitting in front of me here on this cutting board is a kitchen scale. It's a digital kitchen scale, and it's one my wife and I have been using now for about a month and a half. And the reason that we bought this is that we have gotten into baking sourdough bread, to be specific. And if you have any knowledge about baking, doing things in the kitchen, you understand that everything is in baking based off of a volume, or excuse me, a weight and not a volume. So instead of talking about cups and tablespoons, we're talking about grams or ounces. Most everything is weighed in grams. And so this particular unit here, it's real easy to turn on, and it defaults the way we have it set up. It defaults automatically to grams. And this thing is so sensitive that just lifting it up, you can see that it's changing numbers here. And part of the, I'm realizing that part of it is that it hasn't been zeroed out. So we'll just zero that out. And the nifty thing about this is, let's say you want to measure a weight of water. So this is 275 grams. And you want to know that you have, let's say, 325 grams. And so what we're going to do is we're going to zero this out, and then we'll get some water, and we'll add some water to this, and we'll see when we've got 50 grams. Oh, we went too far. We went way too far. So we can take that off, and it's going to go to negative 275 grams, as you can see there. Once we put it back on, oh, we're close. We're at 54
pounds
grams and ounces. And I believe this one here goes up to 5 pounds. So let's see here. 4, 5. Oh, look at that. 11. Oh, it goes up to 10 pounds, the end of 10 pounds. So we'll switch it back to fluid ounces as well, too. Now, remember, fluid ounces is a measure of volume, not a measure of weight. A good way to remember this is if you have a can of sugar soda pop and a can of diet soda pop, even though they're taking up the same volume, their physical weight is going to be different because the sweetener in the diet soda has a different weight to it than the sweetener in the sugar soda. That's one way to kind of think about it. So there you have it. Putting it back to grams, and that thing will put itself to bed here in just a few minutes. Have yourselves a fantastic day, everybody. We'll catch you on the next video. Cheers, everybody. 4 grams. So it'll tell you exactly how much weight is in the vessel itself, so that you don't have to subtract the weight of the vessel from the product that's inside the vessel. And so it's a fantastic tool to have. There it is, 50 grams of water right there. You can do this with flour and salt and sugar and baking soda and baking powder and nuts and I mean everything. Everything that you're using in the kitchen when you're baking. If the recipe requires you to weigh things, this is a fantastic tool to utilize. Again, we've been using this one for about a month and a half now, and it has done a fantastic job for us. We'll zero that out. You can also change the units. It's on grams. You can change it to milliliters. You can change it to, let's see here, ounces, and then pounds.